Alright, this is what I got here, and I really don't think there's any videos on YouTube of this yet. This is a plastic carburetor off a Honda hrs21, late 70s or early 80s. It's very unique because the whole thing is plastic, and it's actually a Cayenne or Keen or however you say it. But it's interesting, the jets and the orifice tube aren't held in by screws or anything. They're push in, and the bottom of the carburetor bowl holds everything in. The spring sits in there. What's also unique about this, the carburetor, literally, it's a plastic bowl. I don't know, it's kind of a tough angle here, but it actually clips in to the carburetor body. And that's how you service this carburetor. That's it. There's no adjustments. There's not much of anything on this carb. So I'm just gonna, when I got the mower, as you saw in my last video, all these jets and the orifice tube were literally just laying in the bottom of the carburetor bowl. So I ran them through the ultrasonic cleaner. The slow jet, the idle jet, this one was completely clogged. You can actually see through it now. So I'm going to put this all back together and fire it up and see what happens. Hopefully it'll run a lot better. And it's only a $20 lawnmower, but it is a Honda, and I really would like to keep it going. Nice aluminum deck. It's really lightweight, and it's a really cool design mower with the flywheels on the bottom. I'll have to do a video with that too. But that's it. I'm going to put this together and we'll bolt it back up and see what we got. Alright, this is how I looked up the schematic online for the carburetor to look up parts. Orifice tube goes in first. Small end down, there's two ends. That's the big end. That's the indented end. Indented end goes first. And you know you got it right, because the jet will actually sink down like that, the orifice tube. Next piece is the slow jet. That gets pushed in just like that. Now the last piece is the main jet. The spring retainer goes on top of the slow jet. You just give a little push in like that. And then when the carburetor gets clipped on, it holds the other pieces in. And that's pretty much it. We're going to clip the carburetor ball back on and put the carb back on, and we'll try it.